In today's video, I'll teach you how to share Google Drive link on WhatsApp. So first of all, launch open Google Drive on your device. You can see over here Google Drive has been opened. Open the folder or file that you want to share. Now after you do that, tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. If you want anyone with the link to access the file, what you have to do is tap on this option, manage access, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply tap on this option, change, that you can see right under the option for restricted. Now tap on the option restricted again. Now what you have to do is tap on this option, anyone with the link, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the access will be updated. Now once you do that, tap on the link icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Or you can also simply go back. Now tap on the three dots again. Now tap on this option, copy link, that you can see on the screen. Now once the link has been copied, what you have to do is open the WhatsApp on your device. You can see over here WhatsApp has been opened. Tap on the chat in which you would like to share the link. Now after you do that, tap on the message bar that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now paste the link that we copied earlier. You can simply do it via the clipboard. Now after you do that, tap on the send icon right next to the message bar. Now you can see over here the link will be shared. If someone taps on this link, they'll be able to access the file. So like this, you'll be able to share the Google Drive link on WhatsApp. So that is how you share Google Drive link on WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.